In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a top border in Microsoft Word. A top border is a simple formatting feature that places a horizontal line above your text or paragraph. It's often used to separate sections, highlight headings, or improve the overall layout of a document. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor in the paragraph where you want the top border to appear. If you want the border above a heading or a specific line of text, make sure your cursor is in that paragraph. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, look for the Borders button. The icon usually looks like a small square divided into 4 sections. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button to open the Border Options menu. From the list, select Top Border. As soon as you click it, a horizontal line will appear above the selected paragraph. If you want to customize the border, click the Borders drop-down again and select Borders and Shading at the bottom of the menu. This will open a dialog box where you can change the line style, color, and width of the border. In the Borders tab, choose the style you prefer, such as a solid line, dashed line, or a thicker border. You can also choose a different color if you want the border to stand out more. Make sure the top border option is selected in the Preview section, then click OK to apply your changes. Using top borders is a great way to organize your document and make important sections stand out. And that's how you add a top border in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.